I'm sick of it. That's it, I'm definitely doing it now.
What's the matter with you? You seem very agitated.
I'm changing schools. I'm sick of it. I can't get on the school team, and I'm supposed to make Kerry Minors this year, and they dropped me from the football team. Yeah, do you know what? I'm going to look up a school in Cork, and that'll make them sorry.
Oh yeah? So there's no point changing schools, just train harder.
No, they've had their chance, and they'll be sorry. Yeah, I'll see now. Oh, look at this place. Ghaelscoil Pheig Sayers. There's a lot of Kerry people teaching there, and they're in the north side of Cork, and they're all hurling. So if I play football for them, I'll be an all-star.
That's above in Blackpool. I don't know. You've got to be careful. Huh? You know what they say? The Blackpool girls are very rude. They go swimming in the nude. Here's up the mall, says the boys of Fairhill.
Oh yeah, I know loads of these teachers. This is gas. I'm gonna get the bus up tomorrow and check out the school for myself. Some walk up this hill. Here we are, boy. This is a fine size of school, isn't it? There's Pheig Sayers herself. God rest her. Jeez, if she was alive today, she'd definitely be on Twitter. She'd have a great time complaining. Oh, lads, look at all the trophies they have. Class, huh? Miss Federlin is right, yeah. And there's things for sale as well, huh? Oh, someone left their jumper after them. I got a free hat. It's like there's a sale at Penny's, but I don't have to pay for anything. What's in here? Oh, class. Look at all the ping pong tables. I bet you I know whose idea this was. Muntor Orla. Yeah, she's mad about tennis. Tennis and playing the fiddle. She'll be the only fiddle playing tennis player at Wimbledon next year. Yeah. But outside of all the Norries, she's the closest person to the school. She's from Mallow. Yeah. The Mallow people, they're fierce racket. No wonder they love tennis. But I'd say table tennis is really good for developing math skills. Yeah. You know, 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, 15 love maybe if you use tennis, yeah. But as Muntor Orla always says, it's time for maths. What's down here? It's very private. Huh? Oh, on private, Adrian Brennock. So there's the principal's office. But he's from Tralee. Yeah, Adrian Brennock. He used to play football with John Mitchell's, yeah. But apparently he stopped playing with them once they sold half their field to Aldi. Or Lidl, I'm not sure which. Anyway, one half of their football pitch is now a shop. Yeah. But I'm surprised he gets to school every morning with his sense of direction. It's dreadful altogether. Yeah. Did you ever hear of Carrauntoohil? You know, the highest mountain in Ireland. Of course you did. Well, Adrian thought he was going to be a great man one day and climb Carrauntoohil. Yeah, and he got to the very top and he turned to his left and he said, oops. He went up the wrong mountain. Yeah, he went up. Carrauntoohil was the mountain next to it. Oh my God, I'd say he definitely has Google Maps on every day when he's coming to school. Or if he didn't, he'd end up above in Limerick. Oh, there's a classroom in the middle of all the ping pong tables. Muntor Jane. Wow, there's lovely colour in here. Yeah, I heard Muntor Jane is really good at doing art. The students are always colouring and painting and cutting and pasting and everything. It's great to see, isn't it? Colour in the classroom. Yeah. I tell you, if I was a student in this classroom, I'd be eating the paint. I'd be doing so much art. Nom, nom, nom. Yeah. Well, she's from Mayfield. Yeah. She's an RE as well. Yeah, why? She's from the other side of the tracks. Yeah. Plays football for Brian Dillon's. Brian Dillon's GA boy. In fairness, I've never heard of them. Yeah. I had to Google it when they were telling me. Whose classroom is this? Moontormy Hall. So this is Moontormy Hall's classroom. Very nice boy. He used to be a scientist. You know that? Yeah. He should be working for NASA. Instead, he's informing the youth on how to build rockets. Yeah. Speaking of rockets, Moontormy Hall scored a rocket of a goal for Kilmichael when he was only 17. Yeah. His first ever championship game at junior A level, and on he came by 17 years of age, and he bangs the winning goal in the last minute. Yeah? I tell you one thing, they were all building him up to be the next big thing. Yeah? It's an awful shame he wasn't. Whose is this? Chorcaí. An Callinon Gaeltach an Chorcaí. Yeah. Chorcaí. She's the girl that went for Colleen Gaelach back in Gabriel Shackdag. Yeah, I tell you, she's very lucky she didn't go for the Rose at Tralee. Or she'd be up there like a deer in headlamps. Yeah, because after her interview for Colleen Gaelach, she forgot that you had to do a talent as well. All the other girls were dancing and singing and poetry and loads of other things. And she was up there and she was like, I didn't prepare anything. Yeah. Although she pulled it out of the bag, all right. Yeah. You know what she did? Humpty Dumpty Asgaelge. Oh yeah. Humpty Dumpty RSE Aaron Mala. I think. Class. This must be where they do PE. Oh, wow. There's plenty of space. I'm almost as good as Muntor Rachel now. She used to play soccer for Kerry. Very tidy soccer player. Rumour has it she was supposed to go to Barcelona. But it turns out she was only going there on her holidays. She's great at the choir though. Castle Island people are very good at singing. What's this? I've never seen one of these in Kerry before. Interesting. Wow! Wow! I'd like to see one of the Halfiends do that. This is Muntor Owen's favourite room. He's really sporty. Well, he used to be. Now he's just lazy. But you know what? A great man to play the tin whistle. I can too. And he tells jokes too, I hear. I have one for you. What do you call a dog that's good at magic? A labracadabrador. Haha, Muntor Garrod, Faron Glown Fleshka, Ikalane Hunte Kiri, another Kerry man here. I tell you, if you want to learn to swim, then you should ask Muntor Garrod. Because he plays football for Glenflesk, and their football pitch is next to a river, and anytime there's like a shower of rain, the football pitch turns into a lake. Every football training, they have to swim at least half a mile before they reach the goalposts. But Glenflesk, good footballers there, you know. There's Johnny Crowley and Seamus Moynihan, and that's about it. This is Una's office. She's from Carrigaline. There's one thing you can guarantee about people from Carrigaline, is that they're stuck in traffic for so long every day on their commute to work that they always have goodies in their drawer. Just, any bit of sugar, sweets and nice treats just to reward yourself after being stuck in traffic all day. Let's investigate. Hello? Anybody here? Jackpot. I wonder how many sweets she has inside in her father Ted camper van. It's such a lovely school. But you know what? I can't believe nobody's caught me walking around.
A vocal! Gotta talk to a native! I'm on,
That was fun while it lasted. It's okay. It was only the principal that was chasing me. And sure, he went up the wrong mountain, so I knew he'd never find me.
Well, how was your trip to your new school?
Ah, it was class. There's loads of trophies, all the classrooms are full of colour and everything, and the basketball court and everything inside. Ah, I'm gonna love it.
Tell me, is it Gaelscoil or Ghaelscoil Pheig Sayers?
Ghaelscoil Pheig Sayers.
That's a primary school, not a secondary school.
Oh no, how did I make that mistake?
You're an awful idiot.